Hello everyone, I'm Preeti Nagi. Today we are going to share with you how to crack the interviews because it's very much necessary for all of us to learn the tips, to learn the agendas, and to learn the proper strategy, to learn the proper tips and easy ways to crack your interview. Because हम क्या करते हैं, हम गूगल से सर्च कर लेते हैं, these are the question जो इंटरव्यू में पूछे जा सकते हैं, एंड उसी क्वेश्चन का अपने ही सीवी में से आंसर निकाल के दे देते हैं. नो मोर अबाउट इट, आई हैव ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड अ वीडियो विद यू व्हाट आर द pre-interviews required for you to search before selecting the company, and that is the point we all are lacking because even we have the right to select the company, we have the right to select where we want to grow in life, we have right to select the right criteria, right area to explore your career well. So do watch the video. Before watching this video, I have given the link of the first video in the comment box, in the description box. So do watch the video. Going for this video now, you're going to the interview to crack it. You're going to the interview to explore the new opportunities. You're going to the interview to explore your career and growth, and you're going to the interview for expectation that yes, I am going to crack it this time at any cost. Yes, the answer is yes. And if you're not prepared well for the interview, how can you say that I will crack it? You will demotivate yourself because you're not prepared for it. And the basic thing, the basic agenda we all are lacking is the very first question. We are lacking in answering the very first question, and believe me, I've interviewed many persons and they all are lacking in a very first question. The only reason they have forced me to make this video, to frame this video and share with you all what are the tips to follow and how to answer the basic questions which you're going to ask in an interview. And if you're lacking in a very basic question, if you're lacking in a very basic agenda, how you're going to clear your dream jobs, how you're going to pursue your dream careers. So the one thing which is very much necessary and you must know is how to introduce yourself. How to introduce yourself. Yes, you heard it right, because we all have the thought process the how to introduce yourself, or my question is tell me about yourself, and you will answer the question in a very comfortable manner, you answer the question in a very lenient manner, and what you will answer: this is my name, this is my qualification, I am from this place, this is my father occupation, this is my strength, this is my weakness and hobbies. Many students answer the very first question like this only. And believe me, this is not the right way. This is not the right way. And I have interviewed many persons, I have interviewed many people, and everyone is answering the question like this. Because we have learned this from Google. We learned this from internet. And internet, half-hearted knowledge of internet is not correct. First question in a very right way, tell me about yourself. Yes, and just note it down, आपको आंसर कैसे करना है. In a previous video we have learned before going for the interview आपने कंपनी के बारे में सर्च करा है, before going for the interview आपने जॉब प्रोफाइल के बारे में सर्च करा है, before going for the interview आपने कंपनी के एजेंडाज डिस्कस करे हैं, आपने कंपनी के एजेंडाज जो हैं वो आपने सर्च करे हैं. That means you know about the company. That means you know about the company. And if you know about the company, तो when I am interviewing you, तो मुझे आपसे क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है वो सबसे पहले आपका आंसर होना चाहिए. What is my requirement from you? Why I am taking your interview? What is the purpose I am conducting this interview? So you have to analyze the answer of these questions before giving the answer of the very first question. Tell me about yourself. Because if you want to crack the interview, 60 to 70% on the very first question, then you have the chance to win. You have the chance to crack it. Only if you will answer the very first question in a manner I am telling you. So you have searched for the company, you have searched for the profile, and in a very first question आपको क्या करना है? आपको अपनी स्ट्रेंथ बतानी है, आपको अपने पॉजिटिव बताना है इन अ वे that is beneficial to the company. दैट इज बेनिफिशियल टू द कंपनी. आपने कंपनी के बारे में सर्च कर लिया है, आपने कंपनी का प्रोफाइल सर्च कर लिया, आपने ये सर्च कर लिया है कि कंपनी इंटरव्यू क्यों कंडक्ट करी है, व्हाट द कंपनी इज लुकिंग फॉर इन द कैंडिडेट. एंड अगर आपने ये सर्च कर लिया है, देन यू कैन इजिली आंसर द क्वेश्चन. You have to include it in a very first answer that these positive points are have and these criteria I will follow, and this is a positive aspects I have that will be beneficial for your company. In a very first question, that will be beneficial for your company. That means जो मैं next question आपसे पूछने वाली थी उसका आंसर आपने मुझे फर्स्ट में दे दिया कि yes, I will be beneficial for your company in this way. I will be very beneficial for your company in this ways. These are the positive points or aspects I have that will be beneficial for your company. That means आपने half of the interview तो very first question में crack कर लिया by saying this that yes, I positive criteria I have that will be beneficial for your company. So मेरा mind setup आपने क्या किया, अपनी positive strength की तरफ ले लिया. आपने मेरा mind setup अपनी स्ट्रेंथ की तरफ ले लिया, अपनी पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स की तरफ ले लिया. सो यू व्हाट यू हैव मोल्डेड डाउन द इंटरव्यू बाय आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन इन माय फेवर. You have molded the interview. You have totally molded the interview by answering the question in my favor. How it's in my favor? Because this was the only one I was looking for. This was the only thing I was looking for. And when you have described that thing without my, and when you have described that thing without asking, so that will give a positive impact in my mind that yes, this was the candidate I was looking for. This was the candidate I was looking for. So when you will do it, you have molded the whole interview in your own way. This is the point when you will crack it. Because अब क्या होगा, the next question I ask will be related to that strength only, because now what you have created a curiosity in my mind. Ask your question, how it will be beneficial for my company. So you already know the answer because it's your strength. So what will happen, you have molded the interview, the mind of the interview in your own way, in your own side. And this is the best way to answer the question, that tell the interviewer that yes, you will be beneficial for the company, and this is the profile you are looking for, and this is the qualities I have, and you will definitely going to crack it, because this is the point, this is the one I was looking for. They answered me, and when you already answered me, this will give you positive impact in my mind, so I will definitely hire you. Keep the things in your mind, keep the criteria in your mind. What's the requirement, why am I asking the question? When you will understand the why in the question, when you understand the requirement in the question, you will easily crack it. You will easily crack it. You just need to know why, you just need to know the requirement, and you will definitely crack it. Many more questions is must for you to understand, must for you to learn how to answer the questions well. I'll keep on sharing with you. Connected for the more videos, stay connected for the more tips that I am going to give you to excel in your career, to excel in your profession and grow so much. Stay connected with me, stay happy, and do follow your dreams in your life.